Hello, this is Darren Martineau, and I'd like to talk about my new book, which is called The Martineau Secret Family Gourmet Recipes. Discover bold flavors, rich traditions, and unforgettable creations inside this incredible exclusive book. This is a hand-picked collection of 28 incredible recipes crafted for food lovers, foodies who crave restaurant quality meals at home. From savory Italian classics to gourmet pasta dishes to artesian new pizzas, signature new sauces, seafood specialties, new burgers, new soups, new salads, new salad dressings, unforgettable vinaigrettes. This incredible cookbook delivers flavored packed recipes that are designed to impress family, friends, and guests alike. Inside this exclusive collection, you'll uncover the secret family recipes and gourmet favorites, including rich and authentic sauces, creamy and elegant steaks, luxurious lobster bisque soup, gourmet salmon pizza, and the ultimate Greek pizza, flavor loaded pesto shrimp scampi. Um, Includes incredible sauces, the carbonara sauce, the hearty bolognese sauce, signature sauces like the five cheese sauce, smoky hot tomato sauce, the Sicilian sauce, the unforgettable Bam Bam barbecue bacon cheeseburgers that are award winners, the fresh and vibrant new salads, and new incredible homemade vinaigrettes. This is comfort food favorites like my magic chili and my white chicken chili recipes, plus many more chef inspired creations. Whether you're looking for a romantic dinner, hosting your guests, or simply elevating your everyday meals, this new ebook gives you easy to follow new gourmet recipes that bring bold flavors and creativity to your kitchen now. So this is perfect for home chefs, food enthusiasts, pasta and pizza lovers, seafood lovers, comfort food lovers, and anyone who enjoys gourmet food. So get this book now and learn the secret family recipes.